Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. Welcome to yet another Amazon monthly haul video. Now for today's video, I will be concentrating only towards beauty, and Amazon is currently running their huge sale. So I thought why not share it with you all, and yeah, without wasting any minute, let's see what I got from Amazon's beauty section. Today's haul video will be concentrated more towards new launches. There were a lot of new launches which a lot of brands have done recently, so I thought why not indulge in those and try it out during the due course of time so that I can share my thoughts and everything with you guys. The first thing that I got is a new launch by Dot & Key. They've recently launched their Vitamin C Plus E Super Bright Moisturizer, and this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the inside of this looks like. Again, so cute. Like, this packaging is to die for. I absolutely love it, especially it has color coding and there's a hat sort of a thingy going on, and it is, you know, it feels really premium. It has glass packaging. I'll just show you the texture. I haven't tried this out, so I will just be able to give a first impression as to how it feels. I will definitely try it more so that I can tell you all in depth as to how it feels. Very lightweight, and I'll just the fragrance is a little strong, I'll not deny that, but the consistency is really lightweight. This smells legit like oranges, so yeah, if you are a little iffy about fragrance, I think you might want to skip it. But if it doesn't bother you, this smells really fresh and the consistency is really lightweight, and I think it hydrates pretty well. So yeah, this is my first impression on this. Next product is again a new launch from the same brand, that is Dot & Key. They recently have launched their body care line, and one product that particularly excited me a lot is their Vitamin C Glow Body Serum Lotion, and this is how it looks like. The packaging is so good. Dot & Key packaging is amazing, nothing to complain about. And yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like from inside. The packaging is super cute, and this has a pump dispenser, which is great. This is how the consistency looks like. It is very lightweight, and it also smells like oranges, but the smell is a little toned down in comparison to the moisturizer, which is kind of weird because body lotion का fragrance फिर भी चलता है. मतलब you want your body lotions to smell nice, but moisturizer में I think they should have gone for a very mild fragrance or no fragrance at all. I think that would have been something that I would have loved, but nonetheless, I think the body lotion is pretty nice, really hydrating and very effortless to blend, which is one thing I think a lot of people will relate ki, you know, if body lotions are thick and you have to work your way through, you generally tend to skip it altogether. But with this, I don't think you'll skip it. It's really nice and very lightweight and very hydrating, something that I always look in a body lotion. If you've been following me for a while, you would know that Miniso's eyebrow razor is my favorite eyebrow razor to remove my eyebrow hair. And recently I found a substitute of that, so I was like, यार कुछ और भी तो try करना है ना, कोई options दे सकते हैं and stuff. So I have got my favorite brand का razor, which is Kai. Kai से like Kai's normal razor, I use it to remove my upper lip and forehead hair. But they have a smaller version as well, which is something that I have been looking for. I absolutely adore Kai's razors. They are amazing, and this is how it looks like. It comes in a pack of 3, and just see how small the razor part is. You can easily work your way through, you know, to smaller portions. In fact, I have done my eyebrows with this today, and I think it's brilliant. I really enjoy it. Plus, it's really inexpensive. This retails for, I don't remember, I'll leave all the links down in the description box below. It's really inexpensive, so I think you should surely give this one a try if you are not wanting to purchase the Miniso one. This comes in a pack of 3, so I think this will be more economical. My next purchase is again a new launch, but from a different brand, which is Lakme. They have recently launched their Lumi Cream, which is moisturizer with highlighter. I think you all must have seen this somewhere on your feed. I think my feed is overloaded with this, so I wanted to try it out. I've just dropped the outer packaging, but nonetheless I wanted to try it myself so that I can have my own review or take on this. Now I have used this once, but something that I've understood is either I'll prefer using this underneath my makeup, which is below my foundation, or probably I'll just mix it with my foundation. But on top, not too sure. Like, I'm wearing off shoulder right now, and I'll just show you what I'm speaking of. This is how it looks like. It feels really moisturizing more than highlighter. I think this is having more moisturizing properties, so highlight utna deta nahi hai. So applying it on top like a illuminator, I don't think that will, you know, work really well. So I think somewhat, agar aap एक hint of you know glitter चाह रहे हो, like the particles are there, but आप देख सकते हो कुछ visible नहीं हो रहा है उतना बढ़िया से कैमरा पे या normally भी. So आप टॉप पे लगाओगे अगर as an illuminator, it will not work. So please don't purchase thinking that it's an illuminator. Yes, you can mix with your foundation. I think it might work for you. I will try it out. मतलब अभी तक उतना play around नहीं किया है. I had applied this on my collarbones, and I don't think that it is making a difference. So yeah, I want to try it out. I want to use it in a variety of ways to know if it works or not. But yeah, this is my first impression. Moving on to another new launch, and from the same brand, which is Lakme. Lakme's 925 Vitamin C face wash. Lakme has recently launched their hand creams, their face washes, and another thing I don't remember, but I have got my hands on their hand cream as well, which I haven't received as of now, so I cannot include it in this haul video. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I have used this twice or thrice. Again, I have to try it out a little more to have my complete take on this. This also smells like orange, and the consistency is really gel like. I'll just show you. This is how it looks like. The color is absolutely orange and gel texture, and yeah, it has very tiny micro beads basically. थोड़ा सा आपका डेड स्किन को भी रिमूव करने में हेल्प करेगा. एंड या जस्ट लाइक एनी डिसेंट फेस वॉश, अभी तक कुछ कंप्लेन नहीं है. आई ट्राई इट आउट. कुछ अगर रिएक्ट वगैरह किया, आई अपडेट यू ऑल. सो या, moving on. My next purchase is from Swiss Beauty. It's their liquid eyeshadow, and there are a lot of shades that are available in this range. Mine is a Molten Midnight 06, and this is how it looks like. In fact, this is what I'm wearing right now as well, or as a liner. Like underneath my normal liner, I have applied this for that, you know, a little bit of dimension basically when light hits it. And yeah, I want to try it out a little more. I want to play around a little more. I had another shade from them. I don't remember the shade, but it was a little on the champagne side. I really liked it. Hence, I have repurchased this, but in a separate shade. Basically a different shade, because same shade leke koi point nahi hai. I want to play around a little more with this, and I will surely use this in one of my makeup tutorials probably. So yeah, let me know if you'll be interested to see that. Next item in this list is again a repurchase. It's the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. Now this is my second bottle. I have completely finished off one. I think this serum is one of the most affordable category mein best serum that could possibly exist. This is so lightweight, so nourishing. I don't know, it's just amazing. I think Livon वगैरह ना सब fail हो चुका है इसके सामने. At least for me, I just dislike Livon or any other serum for that matter. At least affordable category I'm speaking of. So if you are looking for a serum, good quality serum, please just go ahead and try this. Even if your budget is a little high, आप इसको try करो. This will do the job. Plus, this is very inexpensive. Nothing to lose on. You can surely give this one a try. My last few purchase is in the nail paint category. I went ahead and I have purchased a lot of nail paints. Recently I have been addicted to nail paints. Basically, addiction, wrong word. I've been leaning towards applying new nail paints. एंड ऑब्वियसली जो एग्जिस्टिंग कलेक्शन है वो छोटा पड़ रहा है बिकॉज आई हैव टू अप्लाई न्यू शेड्स एवरी वीक. And yeah, I have indulged in new brands, new shades, something that probably is out of my comfort zone as well. So yeah, one by one I'll share it with you. First nail paint is from this company called Bad Company. Now I have been seeing this for a while now on Amazon, and I always used to wonder pata nahi kaisa quality hoga and stuff, but finally I have purchased 3 of their nail paints. This is a very nice mauvey chocolatey brown shade, and yeah, this is in the shade Beautiful Scar. I think this is amazing and it will look amazing on every skin tone. The next shade is this very pastel blue shade. Again, the picture was a bit deceiving. I was expecting this to be a little dark, and that's not the case, but yeah, this is also very pretty yaar, matlab chal jayega mere ko aaram se. This is God is a Woman. This is how it looks like. The last shade is what I'm wearing currently as well, which is this very nice lilac, pinky lilac shade, and this is in the shade Got a Dream ? Live It, and this is how it looks like. I think this is really pretty, काफी eye catching है and really nice and very this color is very unusual. I don't think we see these colors on a daily basis. For my first impressions, I have used one of their shade, and the quality I feel is really nice for the pricing. This retails for I think $199, and you can surely find it on a discount. And the shade range is what is phenomenal. I think there are a lot of shades to choose from, so I think you should surely purchase at least one of them. काफी affordable है, काफी अच्छा quality है. Next nail paint is from Miniso. You all know my obsession with Miniso. It's a black nail paint. My existing black nail paint has dried up almost, so I wanted a new nail paint, and what better than Miniso's nail paint. This just retails for $90, and yeah, this is a great formula. My next nail paint is again from one of my most favorite brands when it comes to nail paint, which is Seri, and this is how it looks like. The color is a little out of my comfort zone, but try करने में क्या जाता है. This is Caramel Bite, and this is how it looks like. I've never ever tried an orange nail paint, and I'm pretty excited to try it out. And yeah, with that we come to an end to this Amazon beauty haul video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you know what you need to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below with any video requests or anything that you want me to try out. I will surely try to purchase it and review it for you all. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.